much.
Morning. How are you? Very good.
Morning.
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 Can I take a picture of you? You're starting up the what? So what do you do if you don't come on the program?
At home with my family. Yeah.
Oh, in Libya.
Yeah, because most of the time I am with the plane. And during program breaks, that is the only time that we can work on the plane. I mean, do proper maintenance of the plane.
So where is normally put up base the aircraft?
The aircraft is, basically there is no fixed base for the aircraft. So what happens is that during program breaks, we look for a place to park where there is a FedEx facility.
Oh, they will be Subic.
Yeah, like Subic. So
which part of Asia they have besides Subic?
I think it's only Subic that have the maintenance base and the Asia hub.
Yeah, Asia, right.
But probably by 2008, when FedEx transfers to China in Guangzhou. Yeah, most likely that is where the plane will be parked when we are around Asia, the region. And also we're looking at Dubai. If we are in that part of the world. So we're still on a negotiation, I think. So that would be a proper place also.
Yeah, but this all instrument is upgraded.
Not yet. This is the original instrumentation of the DC-10. Actually, this is the second aircraft in production. And,
when it started?
Yes, and this is where all the, I would say this is the mother of all the DC-10s.
I mean, this is the first one. What happened to the first one?
The first one, probably something political there because American Airlines would like to have the first aircraft. So
you will be like the second one.
So they got the first aircraft, and this second aircraft is the best aircraft. So everything here is original. Except for the GPS and the TICAS.
I mean GPS?
Yeah, we have a GPS that was installed a couple of years back.
There's the latest one. And the compass?
Yeah, and the TICAS, this one is Traffic Collision Avoidance System.
Radar.
Yeah, which is a new requirement. So that...
Sorry. Oh, that's the requirement.
Yeah, that is the new requirement. I mean, it's a recent requirement by air navigation.
What does it function as?
Well, it tells the pilot that you have an aircraft on your left, on your right, on top. So that gives you the eye view. That
you can see basically the aircraft.
You can see from the indication.
Indicator. There's aircraft on top, right, left, right.
Yes.
I don't see that we have a commercial flight aircraft they have.
Which one?
ACAS, what do you call that?
TCAS.
TCAS.
Traffic Collision Avoidance System.
Traffic collision.
So all the aircraft now have this.
Okay.
Yes, especially commercial.
Commercial one. But so far, I don't remember that I got the MS or the TCAS.
Probably it is integrated in one of the TV screen that you see on the end, because most aircraft you see now are all digital.
Correct.
And glass cockpit.
Correct.
So